This is how to arrange your room style up. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Yeah, that's it.
Hold me close till I get up.
Been a busy day. Finally I'm done. It will be uploaded in 2 bits, in part 1 then part 2, or either way you find the other one, maybe you will come back to the channel and look for the other one. It will be there. This is how to arrange your room style up. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Yeah, that's it.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken.
So from the door I have these large basins. They used to store water. I cover with the polythene, yeah, to prevent the dust or the other particles from falling into it. Yeah, that's it. This is my sofa, my couch, where I chill and watch some videos. That's it. So from the door you just see it perpendicularly this way. Yeah, then we come here. This is my fan where I cool down wherever I get heat after eating a big amount of ugali. And this is my shelf. Yeah, a typical shelf for just putting some things, my things. Maybe you can zoom and see. These are my studs, my things, and other things. Yeah, that's it. Then the other way, this is my laptop chair where I normally use to watch the video at night. Yeah, and placing my phone. Yeah, then this is my bed. I got this from Kamukunji market. These things from Kamukunji market, they were going for 1500 each. Maybe if you need, you can just text me using the email in the description or my number in the description. Then I will show you the way forward. They were going for 1500 each. Then we bought three of them, this one, and this one. Yeah, so this is my bed. Yeah, even this bed you can contact if you want a bed like this. It goes for 12k or 11k here in Kangemi. Yeah, that's it. Then you can just observe the view. Look how I've arranged the things. They're looking so nice. Yeah, let's see under the bed now. Those are my shoes. I've already cleaned them. They look wow. That's it. They look so fine. Then when you come here, that's are my things from the box. Then this the top bucket contains rice, the second wheat flour, then the third maize flour. Then that's it. That's my kitchen session, I mean. This is my kitchen location. You can just see. Yeah, that's my kitchen location. That's it. Those are my utensils. I've already watched them in the other video. Maybe you can check. Yeah. Maybe you can do your suggestion in the comment and tell me how I should arrange here or which things I should add. But the fact that I stay alone, leave me not to buy many things. These are just the essential. Yeah. Then you can see some waru dufu. Used to make dufu. Yeah, these are my sufurias. Got them from Kamukunji in these 4 sets. They are just four high quality sufurias from Kamukunji. They're big. This one and this one. They were going for like 2500. Maybe again, if you need, just contact me in the description. In the using the link in the description or the email or my number, or just comment. I will see. Then you see, oh, I need to empty my dustbin bucket. It's so filled. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so this is my house. It looks nice now. Maybe I can show you the glimpse. That's how you can arrange a single room in Nairobi. Okay, I don't like a table. Maybe it's just it normally wastes space. I don't like table because I normally do things from the ground, just here from the couch. Since I don't have many writing articles now, I don't write most. So that's it. Guys, that's my humble home. I've already arranged everything. Yeah, subscribe and let's link in the next video. Goodbye. See you later.